What's up, guys? Welcome back. So I'm pretty sure they have started doing the body work and primer and stuff like that. They told me, so let's go and check it out. Hopefully they're gonna paint it soon. So they started primering it. Looks good. All right. Yeah, I guess next step is they're gonna sand it, paint it. So it's in the spray booth right now. He just started spraying it. It's like a first coat, so it looks kind of matte, but you know, a couple coats later plus clear is gonna look sick. So we're gonna see what happens. And paint is done. Looks really good. It's been sitting for a couple days now, so it's kind of dusty. But I'm ready to put it all together. He did paint this part right here, but the fender flares and stuff stayed original. It didn't need to be painted. Could be everything's gonna get buffed out and stuff like that, so it matches. Everything's gonna be all shiny. I got the rear bumper here, the old rear bumper right here, so I'm going to be transferring all these little stuff to the new one. Same thing as the front bumper. I also have the original flares. All the clips broke for the flares, so I'm going to go ahead and pick some out so you know, so it fits good. So I got the original parts here. Just remember, guys, always keep the original parts. You always need a clip there, you all need a bolt there, you need some of these stuff inside the hood, these rubber pieces. Do not throw it away until your project is complete. Man, the front end is done. It looks really, really good. I put everything on the way I was supposed to. I think the hardest part was getting these Fender Flares in because these little clips all broke. I had to go run to the dealer, try to get all these clips, try to get these clips on here, attach these clips. I mean, I had to run to the dealer at least 4 times. It was kind of annoying, actually. So yeah, these Flares were not painted. So I do have to buff these so they match shininess to the rest of the car. This side wasn't painted also, so I have to buff all of this right here. This pillar did get painted, so I gotta kind of buff that to blend that in here. The whole side is gonna get buffed out also, so it looks fresh. Accidentally broke the antenna, so I'm gonna buy a little aftermarket one to stick on there. The original one is a lot longer. Whatever happens. So the other issue I've been having is this door panel right here. I took it off because the door stopper was broken, and when the door stopper broke, it actually hit the rail of the side of this window right here. And so obviously I had to buy a rail, I had to buy the new door stopper. I'm not sure what happened there, but happens. This, you know what I'm saying, little stuff pops up all the time when you're fixing cars. You need to buy this, you need to buy that. But yeah, the paint job itself looks really nice. I will, guys, tell you exactly how much I spent on this truck. Total pricing for everything, and plus profit if I get to sell it, and show you guys what I actually made off of it. So these doors got painted, this pillar got painted, pretty much the side got painted, so I don't really have to touch it. But the bed I do have to buff. So yeah, it looks really good. I'm actually really impressed of how nicely it came out. So yeah, this is probably going to be the end of this video. I have completed this project pretty much. I still need to do some of these clips here and there, and we will see what the next episode brings, see how shiny this thing gets, and getting ready for sale. So thanks, guys, for watching. Let me know what you think. The color is nice. That's a given. So I appreciate it, guys. Have a good one.